I'm here with my Jeep Patriot, and I am just about ready to change out that big giant muffler that keeps this thing from making any noise. I'll start it for you here, and we'll see. Boy, that's a cold start, and that thing is quiet. So, hopefully, I can make that thing sound a little more racier. Got that 2.4 in it, and the muffler I'm putting on is a Thrush Turbo. What a size difference. That is a small muffler. But this thing is quiet, and I want her to sound a little more racier. I just like louder vehicles. This one's way too quiet. Now that it's idling down a bit, she's super quiet. So, let's hope I can get this muffler on here today, and then we can hear what she sounds like. Well, I think first of what we got to do is get that muffler cut off. So, got my old Sawzall here. Actually, no, it's not that old. But, got this one as an anniversary gift from, my brother-in-law, Looney Farm Guy. Gave me this Sawzall. So, let me see if I can find a good spot here. And I'll get her cut off. That looks like a good spot to me. That looks good to me. And there we go. She's cut off. Now all I gotta do is get these, well, that's gonna be fun too. Getting these old, what are they called? The hangers off. To get this giant muffler off. Terrible thing it is. But I'll try to get those off for you. I'm not gonna show you how. Anybody can take them off. Well, except me probably. There's one there, and there's one in the back over here. So I'm gonna get those off, hopefully. Well, I got her off. Still have to get that hanger off and put it back up here. But, yeah, I got her off. And, I'll tell you. This thing's got to weigh like 30, 40 pounds. This is insanely heavy. That other one there probably weighs no more than 2 to 3 pounds. This is crazy how heavy this thing is. I'm probably going to cut this thing open in another video just to show you how it's made inside. So yeah, that'll be pretty cool. But wow, this thing, this muffler here gave me trouble. But I used my two long crowbars to be able to get this thing out of here. So it wasn't that bad actually. Came off pretty simple. So now all I gotta do is get this hanger off, hang it back on that one, and then start mocking up that muffler. I think it might just fit, you know? And I'm kind of hoping. Okay, let's get at her some more. Well, as I was hoping, I got the right size. Fits right over that. That's about 2-inch. This is inside diameter 2-inch. So she fits right over. So I'm so happy about that. So I can I'm going to weld these on actually. I'm going to weld it on with my welder. And first I got to clean her up though. So I'm going to give her a little clean up here. Hopefully you can see that. I'm not sure. The sun is in my eyes. But, let me give her a go here. couldn't find any better eye protection than my welding helmet, so I wore that. So I'll get her on there. Sorry, something just happened here that was hilarious. But I'll get her on there. And I don't know which way I'm putting it yet. This way? She goes on nice. Come out straight out the back, or I'm not sure yet how I'm going to do it. She's sitting awfully low. I don't like that. There, that's better. Then I gotta weld on the hold, well, things to hold the muffler up. So yeah, I'm gonna continue with that. I'm gonna weld this up right now. So I'll give you a shot of me welding this pipe on here. Get my welding helmet on right. There we go. And let her go. Well, so far so good. Hard to weld that way. Come on. She's not welding very good. I'm gonna have to fix that. I don't know what's going on. So I'll have to do something there. So now I had to use my jack to lift this up after I got it welded up, and now I gotta put the I guess the rods on to keep this thing up so she won't fall down. So now that's going to be a fun part too, isn't it? Nah, it'll probably go okay. Well, I hope. Well, there we go. I got her on. Doesn't look half bad. And let us start it up so you can hear what it sounds like. Yeah, I think the tip's on a little crooked. I'll have to fix that. But overall, I think it sounds pretty good. So, much more of a racy sound. I'll get in it and rev it up a little for you here. Quieter, and it's not bad actually. That's a good tone from it. I didn't want it too loud. So there we go. I got her on. She is on there good. So got her on the hangers. So hopefully that'll last for me for a while. All right, thanks for watching.